Okay, so here is my quick unboxing and overview of this PBT keycap set from a company called JM. So first off, it's got a very nice magnetic flat box, very simple box. There's like nothing on the box, so it's fine I guess. Nothing to show here, but the box is really nice, simple cardboard. I'll pop it open, and we are greeted immediately by the keycap set. So just take it out here. It's in this very nice soft foam, which is good I guess for protection, and it's a PBT keycap, so you know it's a good quality material. This is bought off Taobao, and yeah, let's take a look at the keycap set. So this is a 104 keycap set, so it's a 404 keycaps, and it is really nice, really nice keycap. In fact, kind of like it a lot. Just do a quick focusing here. So very nice keycap set indeed. It's nice, it's very nice feeling, and it's very thick actually. It's like 1 point something millimeters. So this keycap set is going to be part of my keycap replacement guide. So if you guys want to check it out, say subscribe. That'll be coming soon. And yeah, so what's important is how does it change the sound of a keyboard. Here I'm going to take my keyboard here. This is the Ducky Zero. It's got Cherry Max Browns, so it's going to be interesting, so you guys can hear how it sounds like. Right. This is the very this is the PBT keycap, and this is the usual keycap. As you can tell, there is a nice sound difference in there. It does sound, oh my god, the construction in the background. It does sound a lot more different. It does sound a bit lower, a bit more warmer, a bit kind of more wholesome, which is very nice. It's a very nice keycap set, by the way. It's grey and brown, kind of reddish. I really like it actually. It's grey and slightly red or brown depending on how you look at it. But it's a very nice keycap set. It does come with 104 keys, very well packaged, and also really cheap because I bought this second hand. It's also quite cheap off Taobao, so maybe I'll link it in the description. But yeah, very nice keycap set. It doesn't come with a keycap puller though. I'm pretty excited to put this on the keyboard. And yeah, that's been a quick unboxing and overview of the keycap set from this JM company. If you guys enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and subscribe if you want to see the video where I teach you guys how to install custom keycaps and a guide to getting custom keycaps for your keyboard. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.